Welcome to Garant IAS. Yes, the golden 10 steps to clear your UPSC mains examination. These 10 steps or 10 tips are given by the toppers of UPSC CSE exam of the last 3 or 4 years. So let's see, without wasting time, what are the 10 tips to or steps to clear UPSC mains examination. First is, of course, your approach of mains preparation, that has to be syllabus oriented approach. Should not be like that anything under the sky could be asked. It's not like that. You have 9 papers in mains, 2 qualifying papers are there, 7 merit papers are there. So UPSC has a well defined syllabus for each GS papers, and you are optional, so you have to prepare according to demand of the syllabus. That will help you to focus on the priority areas of your GS papers. That will give you a clear understanding where you have to limit yourselves, what you have to focus on in various GS papers, etc. So, syllabus oriented approach has to be the first step when it comes to preparing for the mains intensively. Second step is, of course, a well balanced and precise flexible strategy you should have. This is the second step, or it is the second tip I would like to share with you. Yes, your strategy of preparation, your schedule, that has to be a precise one. That should be an easy and flexible strategy for you. So whatever you know that you have this much days left for your mains examination, divide the number of days with the number of the subjects you have for in GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. Okay, so be very clear with how many days left for this examination, how many subjects you have to cover for this examination. So you prepare a strategy according to the number of days and subjects you have with you. Okay, so give equal weightage to your GS papers. It should not be like that you invest quality time into your GS3 or GS2 and you totally ignore GS1 and GS4. Should not be like that. Give quality time on all GS papers, on all subjects of your GS papers. Okay, so your strategy, your schedule, that has to be very flexible, very easy, and also it has to be precise. Okay, don't make it too much complicated. Yes, you should have daily, once you prepare this strategy, you should have daily, weekly, monthly plans for you, monthly targets for you. Okay, you can finish society in 5 hours, no doubts. You can finish your social justice in 3 or 4 days, no doubts. You can finish your international relations in maybe maximum 6 days or 7 days. Okay, internal security, same way. So try to understand how many days required for each subjects, how many like a number of days required for each subjects, how can you finish it in a balanced way, how daily, weekly, and monthly targets for your preparation or your subjects, yes, maybe daily you invest some quality time over your GS and your optional, and quality time on your answer writing. So set daily, weekly, monthly targets, just like what you done in prelims also. Now here, superimposition of current affairs, that is another fact you have to understand when it comes to your mains preparation. Yes, current affairs, in order to make your answers like stand out, you will have to cover. Yes, there are some answers, especially when it comes to GS2 or GS3. In order to justify your chance, or in order to make your answers very impressive, you have to fill the gaps with the case studies, current affairs case studies. So of course, superimposition of current affairs is that is a highlight of your GS2, GS3. You should have a good coverage of the current affairs, especially when you touch the polity governance, constitution, high court, supreme court judgments, verdicts, okay, amendments, or when it comes to agriculture, GS3, or be it your GS2, it is polity governance, constitution, international relations, or social justice, or it is your economy, your developmental issues, or your agriculture, industries, or internal security, or it is disaster management. A good coverage of the current affairs, because most of the questions are like this, and there you have to balance your static with the dynamic portions of answers. So current affairs, have a good coverage of current affairs, especially for paper like GS2, GS3. So current affairs you should not miss. You might have prepared short notes for that. Yes, you practice, revise them, and try to inculcate or try to implement or try to bring in those current affairs into your answers. Revision. Yes, just like prelims, here also revision matters a lot. Okay, in GS 1, 2, 3, 4, all subjects you have to revise thoroughly. You have to brainstorm the content in each subject. You have to practice answer writing a lot. Answer writing, I'm telling you, yeah, there is the biggest game changer, or whether you should be in or out, that will be decided by answer writing. So don't ever skip answer writing practice. Don't leave it for the last final days. Okay, right from now onwards you have to practice answer writing, because so many things are there. Understanding the demand of the questions, understanding the demand of or meaning of directives, presenting an answer, structuring an answer, or like giving content to an answer, balancing an answer, concluding an answer, introducing an answer, presenting case studies, examples, illustrations. So for all these you must have n number of practices, otherwise you can't master answer writing. This is not mugging above the facts and figures, it is practicing. So answer writing and getting regular feedbacks, that matters a lot. And also the entire process of preparation, don't complicate with the multiple sources, multiple strategies, multiple point of views. Different opinions will be there, different strategies will be there, lots of reference books will be there. Don't complicate this process with these multiple things. Limit yourself, okay, with the sources, opinions and strategies. Take the best and stick on to that. That is very important here. Compulsory papers, don't ever underestimate the power of compulsory papers. If you couldn't clear these compulsory papers, then there is no meaning in scoring 120 plus in GS papers. Okay, so compulsory papers, there is a regional language and English, two papers are there. You should have n number of practices for compulsory papers. Don't ignore it. Optional is the real game changer. Yes, your optional can be history, Malayalam, botany, sociology, zoology, or it is geography, anthropology, whatever, literature, whatever. I would say optional. Optional matters a lot. Optional score in the optional matters a lot. So yes, that's why I'm telling you, from now onwards, every day you spend quality, invest quality hours for your GS preparation and quality hours for your optional preparation. Okay, that is also very important. And you can have the topic wise test and this section wise test, but of course in the final round you must practice full length test series. That's very important. Full length test series, that's very important. That will give you the real time exam experience. So be it essay paper, be it qualifying papers, or be it your GS papers optional, you must have the experience, real time experience of this full length test. That also matters. And get at regular intervals, you get the feedback from your subject experts or your personal mentors, and rectify yourselves in relation to presenting of an answer, or giving content to answers, or structuring an answer, or maybe how to balance various dimensions of a question or answer. So of course get the feedback and try to improve yourself according to the feedbacks. Okay, so these are the golden 10 tips I would like to share with you in relation to mastering your mains. Yes, that is, check the mains, check the India. That's it. So go for it, prepare very well. Gallant IAS also has a very interesting program to train you in your mains areas. That is check the mains program. If you wish, there is no compulsion. If you wish, you can enroll for this, and we guarantee you the best experience of your mains preparation. So check the mains is not just answer writing, it is content enrichment, value additions, how to approach, how to write, and customized, personalized mentorship series also, along with answer practices. So all the best, my dear aspirants. Wish you good luck for your mains. That's it.